X26. And yeah, this video ends until 4:10. 4:10, no, 4:20. No, 4:15. 4:15. Okay, this video ends at 4:15. So, okay. If you want this last ever radioactive Tim Cheese, you have to. The only thing you have to do is just like and subscribe. Comment your user, and I'll pick the percent. And you better have a private server because I don't have a private server. I barely have 0 Robux. I don't have 0 Robux. Can I invite someone, bro? No, because if I do, I might lose. We're just freaking 3 minutes away. No, 4 actually. Because you know, okay? If I get a secret or a cursed lab, it's just crazy. It'll be super crazy, man. 3 minutes left. A breaker ink. Breaker. This new beanie pizza nini actually matches me, y'all. I am the new newbie OG Brainrot. Boom! Get out.
New beanie pizza nini.
The new newbie OG Brainrot, man. And the new OG Brainrot, y'all. Or someone already bought me. It's just crazy, man. Somebody already bought me. Get this gun new beanie out. Because I'm their first Brainrot. Guys, I need help. My family is kind of homeless. POV Sammy just gives everyone free lucky blocks. I'm gonna buy a lucky block. I do not have 0 Robux. Okay? Guys, this game is super lying, bro. I do not have 0 Robux. I do not have 0 Robux. I swear, not to God, not to my life. But I swear to my freaking tablet. Even though I'm using a computer. No. If I get to slap this guy butt, it's over. Boom, you guys have to let me go. And now, tomorrow, I'll do a 1 color challenge. So please don't miss that tomorrow, okay? And I might do new shorts. I will do a 1 color challenge, which is only gonna be, I might spin the wheel, might land on any color. It's just crazy, bro. It's in 3:59. 43, 42, 41. Look at that last radioactive Tim Cheese. I bet y'all didn't have it. I bet y'all guys don't have it right now. Do you? What you want, man? I'm gonna review my internet. It's 67. Get it? Okay, no, I'm sorry. Goodbye. And guys, I could chat, y'all. If you don't have chat, well, too bad. Come on. Pretend there's a new 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy Brainrot New Year. Please give me a secret. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna close my eyes. Damn it! Nobody wants that. Wait, what was that? Do I have the gangster? Cause I'm a gangster. Get it. Well, get out. Okay, let me say it. Bitty beakus, bambakus. I'm not saying the other one. Actually, bird, bingus, dickus, bambakus. Even though what do everybody say is so weird. Like the Brainrot's not even that weird. It just says Berber, Big Goose, Dick Goose, Bumble Goose, man. Like that. It's like not weird, man. Like, did you know I'm in the top leaderboard? That's me, bro. In my other, wait, it's not that one, dummy. This is actually me. I have this early bird. That's my other account. It's my out. My real not out, but it's my real account.
Lucky block.
And tomorrow I only have 15 minutes until I should I buy it? See ya in
Lucky
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 hour. Okay. For a second, I was gonna play it. What the hell? You get me now? Wait, do I have that? I don't know what. Don't leave. Okay, no.
Salamino Pinguino.
That. I used to have this banner, bro. I thought it was super cool. I thought it was like kind of good.
Tetete Saur.
I didn't even buy it. Like you trash. And every time a mutation, like when new mutations come, I get the last Tim Cheats ever curse. So dumb is that? Cause I'm smart. Why don't we send? Guys, should I join? What time is it? 4:03. What should we play right now? Chat. What should we play? Even though I don't have a chat. This video will end in 13 minutes. We only have 7 minutes 40 seconds. Why don't we play Escape Tsunami for Brainrot? Which is, I'm kind of good. I'm looking for Brainrot right now. I just hate it when you can't down on the hole. God damn it, takes too long. Let me give you that. Finally. You started looking. I thought for a second that was like a looking. Wait, I've never seen that Brainrot. I've never seen that Brainrot. I'm freaking lying. That's a far hotspot. Yo, I just died. It would be crazy. They put a gun in my head. That's just crazy, man. They put a gun in my head. Ah! I'm just kidding. They forced me to record it. They logged on. They forced me. Bro! I'm gonna crash out, bro. I freaking swear. Run. Run like a little B-word. I don't care. Wait, did I ever get in my... Wait, what the hell? That's a Rainbow 6-7. Good, I have it. Hey, that's a Rainbow! I don't think I have that. I just have it. Es persona cianuda. Chimpanzee banana. I'm running for my life. Stupid lag, girl. And I only have 1 second. Oh, let's freaking go, man. I did not know. Oh, ding, 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 ding. And of course, I didn't have celebrity.